Welcome back, Future Medicos. In this video, we are going to look at the 25 colleges that are at the bottom of the All India quota counseling based on 2019 cutoff marks. So basically, we are going to look at the 25 colleges that are least ranked in All India quota counseling. So this is purely based on the counseling in 2019 and the cutoff marks of 2019. So let's start with which states are at the bottom of the 15% All India quota counseling. Now I'm going to list down the state and the number of colleges that are among the bottom 25 colleges. So you can see that Telangana has the most number of colleges in the bottom ranks. That is about 6 colleges from Telangana are among the 25 least ranked colleges in terms of cutoff marks. And then Odisha has 5 colleges. Andhra Pradesh has 4 colleges. So this is really surprising to me. I didn't expect this. This is the first time I'm trying to do a accumulation based on the state versus the number of colleges at the bottom ranks. So surprised to see Telangana plus Andhra Pradesh contribute about 10 colleges out of 25. Assam has 3 colleges. Tamil Nadu got 2 colleges. Both of these colleges are a kind of like semi-government, government-controlled colleges. So I'm not surprised these 2 colleges are at the bottom because the fee structure of these 2 colleges were also high in 2019. And then Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Tripura, and West Bengal, each of these states have 1 college, each in the bottom 25 colleges. Now that adds up to the 25 colleges. Now let's look at which are the colleges that are placed in the bottom 25 based on the cutoff marks. Now the least college, I'm starting from the bottom and I'm going to slightly go higher. So Raja Mutaya Medical College was the least ranked college in 15% All India quota counseling last year. This college is from Tamil Nadu and it comes under Annamalai University. And the fee structure of this college was quite high last year. It was around, I think, 4 to 5 lakhs. So that's why not a lot of candidates might have preferred this college. So the All India rank cutoff was 12,618 and the equivalent NEET marks was 582. So this was the final cutoff as far as All India quota is concerned in 2019. From the bottom, the second college is Mizoram Institute of Medical Education, Falcon, from Mizoram. The All India rank was 12,614. The third college from bottom is Andaman and Nicobar Islands Institute, located at Andaman and Nicobar, and the All India rank was 12,593. Agartala Government Medical College from Tripura, the All India rank cutoff was 12,572. Government Medical College Nalgonda at Telangana, the All India rank was 12,542. Government Medical College Suryapet, again from Telangana, the All India rank was 12,515. Tomo Riba Institute, Naharlagun from Arunachal Pradesh, the All India rank was 12,459. Government Medical College Siddipet, again from Telangana, All India rank was 12,453. Sahid Lakshman Nayak Medical College, Koraput from Odisha, All India rank 12,435. So you can see that the NEET marks is the same for all the 9 colleges in this page. They are all 582 marks. So even though the rank is slightly different, mark wise they are all the same, 582. From the bottom at the 10th place, Government Medical College Khalilwadi at Telangana, All India rank 12,405. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad Medical College at Barpeta in Assam, the All India rank 12,395. IRT Perundurai Medical College from Tamil Nadu, the All India rank 12,389. Equivalent NEET marks 583. So this college is now being renamed as Government Medical College Erode. So from this year, maybe it might be called as Government Medical College Erode. So you may not see the name IRT Perundurai in 2020. Government Medical College Mahabub Nagar in Telangana state, the All India rank 12,376. RIMS Ongole in Andhra Pradesh, All India rank 12,356. Government Medical College Anandapuramu also from Andhra Pradesh, All India rank 12,325. Pandit Raghunath Marmu Medical College Baripada at Odisha, again the All India rank 12,293. Tezpur Medical College at Assam, the All India rank 12,286. Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Adilabad at Telangana, All India rank 12,283. RIMS Srikakulam from Andhra Pradesh, All India rank 12,281. Government Medical College Balasore in Odisha, All India rank 12,162. VSS Medical College at Barla in Odisha, All India rank 12,159. Jorhat Medical College at Assam, All India rank 12,133. Rajiv Gandhi Institute Kadapa at Andhra Pradesh, 12,098 rank. So this is where the mark is slightly changing from 583 to 584. Rampurhat Government Medical College at West Bengal, the All India rank 12,038. Government Medical College Balangir at Odisha, the All India rank 12,004. So these are the 25 colleges that are at the bottom. Mark wise, if you see, not much difference between the 25 colleges. It's from 582 to 584. So only 2 marks differentiate these 25 colleges. Rank wise, if you look at, is around 600 ranks. There is a difference. So these are the 25 colleges that are placed at the bottom. So whether these will be the same in 2020, not necessarily. There will be changes. There will be some new colleges that coming up, and the new colleges typically are less preferred and they might be at the bottom. But I hope this information is useful to you. You might be able to plan your admission, plan your counseling for MCC. My best wishes to you. I hope to see you in some other video soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.